Grabe magmayabang yung DDS na OFW guys. Sabi ba naman, he treat us Filipinos as his children. Oh, wasak ang utak niya nung tinanong siya ng foreigner na nag-i-interview sa kanya. Oh, yung AJK ba victim is hindi mga Pilipino? Di ba? No, 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 no. Yun ang sagot ni ate. Ganun kakalat ang utak ng mga DDS pag kinausap mo. Pag nasampal mo sila ng katotohanan, medyo iba, tagilid. Iba na yun. Gagawa na sila ng paraan para ma-justify yung kanilang kabaliwan.
He treat us Filipino as his children. That's why all of us, we call him Tatay Digong.
He didn't treat drug users as his children.
Yeah, he do. But
You
only...
shoot your own children?
No, 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 of course not.